guided meditation to release pain. Hello, and welcome to this meditation. Thanks for being here. This meditation will help you bring your mind away from pain, but also address it and relieve it. It will lead you through relaxing exercises which will bring your focus to the importance of staying calm, at least for a few minutes during the day. Listen to it on a regular basis. Make it a daily habit even. Choose a moment during the day in which you feel more connected. A good option is as soon as you wake up. This will help you set your intention for the day ahead. Sit comfortably in the place of your choice. Honor your body's need to feel at ease. So if lying down is what feels better, then please lie down. Close your eyes gently. Place your arms lightly on your lap or by your side. Start becoming aware of your body. Notice your muscles. Make an attempt to relax each one of them as you breathe deeply. Take a deep breath in and then a deep breath out. You get more and more relaxed with each breath. Allow the breath to bring ease and comfort. Breathe in deeply and pause for a few seconds. Breathe out slowly. This conscious effort to control your breathing can help calm down your mind by focusing only on the act of breathing. Breathe in deeply. Pause for a few seconds. Breathe out slowly. For the rest of the meditation, keep breathing naturally. Let the air flow in and out as it needs to. The world keeps moving out there, but you feel free to stop. Picture the air as energy healing your body, making it stronger, energizing it. Breathe all the air out and be still with this sensation a little bit longer. There is nothing more important than this moment. This precious time with yourself is going to support you the whole day. Be thankful for this opportunity and also thank yourself for this loving time. From this place of stillness and self-awareness, think about the pain you're feeling. Scan your body in detail and identify the spot or spots that usually hurt or have been hurting today. Observe how they turn into a bright color red as a symbol of the energy they are holding on to. In these spots, the energy is dense and heavy. There is pressure that needs to be released. While you breathe in, send healing to these spots. If you wish, you can picture the healing as a silver light, supporting you and making you stronger. Observe the pressure starting to dissolve, the energy flowing more freely. You start feeling lighter and lighter, each part of your body feeling almost a little bit numb. You can hardly feel your body. You are absolutely still, focused on your breathing and nothing but your breathing. Your nervous system has sent the signal to relax completely. Your body is responding to the order easily. Remember that the one who has the steering wheel over your nervous system is none other than yourself. You decide when it's safe to relax. As soon as you decide it's safe, the process starts, and you can just observe the magic of it all. Allow for this moment to be only about relaxation. Release any need to control anything. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out relaxation. The muscles in your legs have the chance to release the tension that might have accumulated today or in the past few days. Feel the deep relaxation. From the tip of your toes up to the very top of your legs, completely relaxed and easy. No pressure, no tension, no control, no attachment, just relaxation. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out relaxation. Move onto your arms. Feel the heaviness and gradually start to release all the tension. Observe how your arms start to feel lighter and lighter, as if they are no longer there. You feel nothing. Your arms are completely relaxed and easy. No pressure, no tension, no control, no attachment. Just relaxation. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out relaxation. Focus on your torso. Your trunk usually holds a lot of pressure because of all the organs and processes constantly going on. Give your torso and all of its parts permission to relax and release all the tension. Let go of any judgment, any pressure, any emotion hidden. Allow for absolute relaxation. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out relaxation. Now scan the muscles and bones in your head. Is there any tension? Relax your jaw, soften your eyes and your lips. Notice how good it feels to let go willingly. You can start by practicing letting go of physical tension, getting used to the feeling of relaxation. Breathe in determination to be pain-free and completely relaxed. Breathe out determination to be pain-free and completely relaxed. Identify the most intense emotion that you are feeling right now. Is it fear, anger, frustration? Whatever it is, label it in your mind. This is the first step to emotional freedom. When you have, recognize the resistance to let go of this emotion. What if you could decide what to feel and what not to feel? You have the power and the right to decide how you feel. Take a deep and mindful breath in through your nose. Fill yourself up with self-recognition. Breathe out and release the emotions that this pain may be causing you. Breathe in deeply again. And when you breathe out, release the sensation of powerlessness. Pain or emotions cannot take your power. Your power is only yours. You are strong. Inhale strength. Exhale strength. You are determined to claim your power. Inhale determination. Exhale determination. Now visualize your day ahead and how you want to feel today. Your energy level, your motivation, your sense of achievement, anything and everything. Whatever you want to feel, start feeling it right now. Tell your body how to feel by the end of the day. Take a minute to expand all of these sensations. Start focusing on your breathing again. Notice the air coming in and out through your nose. Bring awareness to your body. Start feeling your legs, your hands. Pay attention to the sounds that surround you, the texture of the place where you're sitting on or lying on. Take a deep breath in and out. And when you are ready, open your eyes.